Welcome back to Coin Market Insider. Today we are going even deeper into one of the most widely circulated modern coins from Southeast Asia. The 2019 1 Piso coin of the Philippines featuring the national hero Jose Rizal and the iconic Waling Waling Orchid design on the reverse side. This extended analysis will cover every possible detail including historical background, cultural importance, design interpretation, minting authority, collector psychology, global market misunderstanding, and realistic valuation perspective so that viewers fully understand what this coin represents in both numismatic and cultural terms. The Republic of the Philippines has a long and rich history of coinage that reflects its colonial past, independence movement, and modern national identity. The 1 Piso denomination is one of the most frequently used coins in daily life across the country. The 2019 issue belongs to the Modern New Generation Currency series, which was introduced by the Bangko Sentral in Pilipinas to improve durability, enhance security features, and modernize the visual identity of Philippine money. This series is not just about redesigning coins but about telling a national story through currency, where each element on the coin is carefully chosen to represent values, history, and natural heritage. On the obverse side of the 2019 1 Piso coin we see the distinguished portrait of Jose Rizal, who is one of the most respected and influential figures in Philippine history. Jose Rizal was not a military leader but a writer, doctor, linguist, and intellectual whose ideas helped inspire the Philippine reform movement during Spanish colonial rule. His literary works, especially his novels, played a major role in awakening national consciousness among Filipinos. His presence on this coin is extremely symbolic because it represents the power of education, knowledge, and peaceful resistance as tools for national transformation. The inscription around his portrait includes 1 Piso, Jose Rizal, and Republica ng Pilipinas, which clearly defines the denomination, the honored individual, and the issuing nation. These inscriptions are carefully arranged to maintain balance, clarity, and security design standards, ensuring that the coin is both functional and symbolic at the same time. The design of Jose Rizal on the coin is based on a highly detailed engraving process that ensures facial recognition even in small-scale metal form, which is an important aspect of modern coin production technology. Moving to the reverse side of the coin we enter a completely different but equally important symbolic world which represents the natural beauty of the Philippines. The Waling Waling orchid featured on the reverse is one of the rarest and most admired orchid species in the Philippines and is often called the Queen of Philippine orchids due to its striking appearance, vibrant colors, and cultural significance in indigenous traditions and botanical studies. This orchid is not only a plant but also a symbol of natural pride, biodiversity, and environmental richness of the Philippine archipelago, which is known for its unique ecosystems and diverse flora and fauna. The inscription Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas appears prominently on the reverse, confirming the authority responsible for issuing the currency and reinforcing the official legitimacy of the coin. The combination of Jose Rizal on one side and the Waling Waling orchid on the other creates a powerful dual narrative that connects human achievement with natural heritage, forming a complete representation of Philippine identity. The coin is part of a broader monetary reform initiative that aims to modernize the Philippine currency system while maintaining cultural storytelling through design elements. From a technical perspective, the coin is produced using durable metal alloys designed for long-term circulation in tropical conditions which include humidity, heat, and frequent handling. The engraving process uses advanced minting technology that ensures precision detailing, anti-counterfeiting protection, and consistent mass production quality across millions of units. Now, when we discuss value, it is extremely important to separate real numismatic value from online misinformation and exaggerated claims. The face value of the coin is exactly 1 Philippine Piso, and in normal circulation it retains only this value regardless of year unless special conditions apply. However, on social media and video platforms there are often viral claims suggesting extremely high valuations, sometimes reaching unrealistic figures such as $693,095,000 US. These claims are not supported by any official numismatic authority, auction record, or professional grading organization and should be treated as misinformation or content designed for engagement rather than factual accuracy. In real-world coin markets, value is determined by rarity, condition, demand, historical importance, and verified mint errors rather than viral internet speculation. For modern circulation coins like the 2019 1 Piso coin, standard versions are extremely common and therefore do not carry significant premium value in professional numismatic markets. Only coins that are in uncirculated mint state condition or those that contain verified minting errors may carry slightly higher collector interest, but even then values remain within realistic and moderate ranges. The concept of mint errors is important in numismatics because certain production mistakes such as misaligned strikes, double impressions, off-center designs, or unusual metal compositions can sometimes create rare collectible variants. However, most coins that appear unusual to the untrained eye are actually post-mint damage caused by wear, scratching, or environmental exposure rather than genuine minting errors. Therefore, professional authentication is always required before assigning any premium value to such coins. From a cultural perspective, the 2019 1 Piso coin serves as a daily reminder of Philippine national identity, history, and natural heritage circulating through millions of hands every single day in markets, transportation, and everyday transactions. Jose Rizal's presence reinforces the importance of education, intellectual freedom, and national pride, while the Waling Waling Orchid reinforces environmental awareness and appreciation of natural beauty. Together, these two elements create a symbolic connection between mind and nature, history and environment, culture and identity, all embedded within a small metal object used for daily trade. In the global numismatic community, Philippine coins are increasingly recognized for their artistic quality, affordability, and educational value, especially among beginner collectors who are building world coin collections. The 2019 1 Piso coin is often included in international coin sets because it represents a modern circulating currency from Southeast Asia with strong cultural symbolism and accessible availability. Collectors who specialize in modern world coins often use such pieces to study how countries express identity through currency design in the 21st century. Proper coin preservation is another important aspect for collectors who wish to maintain long-term condition and visual appeal of their coins. Coins should always be stored in dry, controlled environments using protective holders, capsules, or albums to prevent oxidation, scratches, and environmental damage. Handling coins with bare hands should be avoided because natural oils can affect surface quality over time, especially in higher-grade specimens. Even common circulation coins can become more desirable if preserved in mint condition because grading standards place significant emphasis on surface quality, strike sharpness, and overall eye appeal. In conclusion, the 2019 1 Piso Jose Rizal coin is far more than a simple piece of currency. It is a cultural artifact, a historical tribute, a botanical representation, and a modern monetary instrument, all combined into a single design. It honors Jose Rizal as a symbol of intellect and national awakening while also celebrating the Waling Waling Orchid as a representation of natural beauty and biodiversity. Although its real market value remains equal to its face value in normal conditions, its importance in education, culture, and numismatics makes it a highly meaningful coin for collectors and historians alike. It stands as a reminder that currency is not only about economic exchange but also about storytelling, identity, and national pride embedded in everyday life. Thank you for watching Coin Market Insider. Stay connected for more deep research-based coin analyses from around the world.